What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KhalisaB, and today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I get my skin so smooth, so soft, so glowy like this. It's been past due for your girl to clean her face, so I decided to go ahead and do it. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's see how I went to this from this. Make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up if you make it to the end of the video if you guys like what you see. So let's just get straight into it. And I do have scarring around this area. First, I'm gonna start off by shaving my face, also called, I forgot, but I'll insert it right here, using this Revlon razor. Next is to get rid of any whiteheads I might have on my nose, because that is where I get them the most. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite facial cleanser, which is the Deep Clean Neutrogena. I'm going to pat my face with some water. I'll be using my Regenerous facial brush. Now the only thing is, since I did just like freshly shave my face, this face wash is a little bit on the stinky side, so I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible. I like to go in with cold water and wipe it off. This is the best facial cleanser that I have ever used. We've been using this for almost like 2 years, I believe. My face is already looking, yeah. It was good to go in with the same brand, just the scrub. Now the only thing with this is it does have the little beads in it, so try to make sure you stay away from your hairline, because they are kind of hard to get out. So now your girl is going in with her Seamoss. We're going to do a Seamoss facial mask today. I'm going to be applying it with my brush. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. If you guys want to know exactly how I make this, there are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to make Seamoss or blend Seamoss. But if you guys want a video on how I did it, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. I've been using Seamoss for a minute. I actually stopped using it, but I did notice once using it consistently for like a week, my skin tone and pigmentation evened out a lot. So if y'all have not hopped on the Seamoss bandwagon, you're slipping. So I'm gonna just apply this all over my face, and we're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. So as you can see, it's tightened my skin a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Again, since it has a little pulp in it, it is kind of hard to get off your skin. So this, you do have to kind of scrub a lot. Oh, yeah, my face is looking so much better already. So now I'm going to go in with my two favorite toners, which is the Thayers facial toner with Hazel with cucumber. Go ahead in with a clean dry rag and apply some of this to my towel. And you're just gonna pat this onto your skin. The next facial toner that I love, and I'm gonna have to get some more because I'm running out, is from Body Shop. This is the Ginseng Milk Toner. As you guys can see, I only have like a little bit left. I also put some tea tree oil in this. I heard the tea tree oil is good for your skin as well. Let this air dry. So I'm just going to apply this vitamin E all over my face. And then I go in with my vitamin C serum that I purchased from Target. This is actually really good. So this one actually has a drop thing, whatever. So I just like to apply some of this to my face as well. And I know I might look super oily, but y'all, in the morning my face is still going to be shining like this, I promise you. Alright, so the very last step that I do, you guys, is I go in with my shea butter mix. As you can see, this is empty, like absolutely gone. So what I mixed it with is, of course, shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, vitamin C, and I think that was it. Yeah. So this is the mixture. I need to make another one, but because I put oil on my face, I really don't need too much. So I'm just going to try to scrape what is up in here. Oftentimes when I don't have any more of my shea butter mix, I like to go in with my favorite moisturizing lotion, is the Serum Intense Repair Lotion. I see how rich it is. Like, it's super moisturizing. I'm not gonna apply it today because your girl's skin is already glowing. Kids do have eczema and it's absolutely amazing for their skin. This is the final look. So I hope you guys made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this routine, y'all. I try to do this at least once a month, and it was time. Like, it was time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, again, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.